Unit 7C, I used to be a rebel. Reading, look at the picture. Does it make you think of your school? Why or why not? Please answer this question. Pause and answer. Next, exercise B, look at the photos and read the article about Mick Jagger. Do you think he was really a rebel when he was at school? Why not? Pause and read this text. Read the rest of the text. Read the text till the end. Now answer this question. Next, read the text again and guess the meaning of the highlighted words. These are the highlighted words. Okay, now let's read the text together. A famous rebel, but was he really? Mick Jagger went back to his old school recently, for the first time since he left in 1961. He was invited to the school to open the Mick Jagger Performing Arts Center, a new music and drama department at Dartford Grammar School. Jagger said that he was honored that the center was named after him, but in a newspaper interview 2 days before, he told a journalist that in fact he hated school and that he used to be a rebel. He didn't used to do the homework. There was far too much, and he was continually at war with the teachers. He used to break the rules all the time, especially rules he thought were stupid, about how to wear the school uniform and things like that. Once he even organized a mass protest against appalling school dinners. It was probably the greatest contribution to school I ever made, he said. Although he made a good start at school, Jagger said his schoolwork deteriorated because of music and girls. However, according to one of his old school friends, musician Dick Taylor, this is not true. He says that Mick didn't used to be a rebel at all. He was quite bright and used to work hard. He also used to do a lot of sport. When Mick Jagger left school, he had 7 O levels and 2 A levels, which at that time were good qualifications. So perhaps Dick's memory is better than Mick's. Okay, now let's do grammar exercise 2A. Underline 6 phrases with used to, didn't use to in the text. Does used to refer to the present or the past? Things that happened once or for a long time. Pause and underline the phrases with used to and didn't used to. You can of course underline here on the screen, but find them out. Fine. Next, the answer. Does used to refer to the present or the past? Used to refer to the past. Does used to refer to things that happened once or for a long time? It refers to the things that happened for a long time. Next, used to, didn't used to. This is positive, this is negative, this is question form. These are short answers. Let's look at the examples. I used to wear glasses. You used to wear glasses. She used to wear glasses. They used to wear glasses. Negative form. I didn't used to wear glasses. Pay attention. We're using didn't and not used. Yeah? Here in positive used to. Here only used to with didn't. You didn't used to wear glasses. He didn't used to wear glasses. We didn't used to wear glasses. They didn't used to wear glasses. Question form. We move did in front of I, you, he, she, so on in order to make question form of used to. Did I used to wear glasses? Did you used to wear glasses? Did she used to wear glasses? Did they used to wear glasses? Short answer like the question, yes I did, no I didn't. Yes they did, no they didn't. Use used to, didn't used to plus infinitive for things that happened repeatedly or over a long period of time in the past, but are usually not true now. For example, for things which happened when you were a child. Let's read this example. I used to have long hair. I used to play in the street. I didn't used to have a TV. You can also use the past simple here. I had long hair when I was a child. You see, I used to have a long hair. I used to play in the street. I had a long hair when I was a child. Note, used to only exists in the past. Don't use used to for present habits. Use the present simple. Usually, I usually cook in the evenings. For present habits, only present simple with the phrase usually, with the word usually. We use used to only in the past. Next, let's do these exercises. 7C, 8. Look at how James has changed. Then, now. Write 5 sentences about how he was then. He didn't used to be slim. Now he's slim. He did used to be slim. Pause and make 5 sentences. Write your answer, write your sentences in your copybooks. Now let's check the answers. He used to have short hair. Second, he used to be quite fat. Third, he didn't used to wear glasses. Fourth, he used to wear a uniform. Fifth, he didn't used to drink wine. Exercise B. Make sentences with used to, didn't used to, or did and used to. So use used to in positive, negative, and question form. For example, here are given words and phrases, yeah, and marks, question mark, negative or positive. We will make question with did used to and make proper sentence. Did you used to have long hair? Okay, pause and do the rest of the sentences. Now let's check. First, where did you used to go to school? Second, I didn't used to like vegetables when I was a child. Third, my sister used to hate maths at school. Fourth, what did you used to do in the summer? Fifth, they didn't used to live near here. Sixth, this building used to be a cinema. Seventh, did your brother used to study here? Okay, next. Pronunciation. Used to and didn't used to are both pronounced used to. I used to go out a lot. He used to hate school. They didn't used to be friends. She didn't used to like him. Did you used to wear glasses? Listen this video several times and repeat after me, okay? Next, vocabulary, school subjects. Match the words with the pictures. These are the pictures. Pause and look at the pictures. Now pause and match them with the pictures. Match the school subjects with the pictures. Now let's check physical education. 5. Geography. 3. Technology. 8. Maths. First, history. Picture number 2. Foreign languages. 7. Literature. 6. Science. For example, physics, chemistry, and biology. 4. Pause and write down the school subjects on your in your vocabulary copybook and learn them by heart. Now think about when you were 11 or 12 years old. 11 or 12 years old. Talk about each subject with one of the expressions below. Say why I used to like physical education, because we played football every day or football every time when we had this subject or this lesson. Or I didn't used to like math because the multiplication and division was difficult for me. I didn't understand the signs such as x and y and so on. Okay, you can also read this example. I didn't used to like maths. I was really bad at it. Yeah, this is just one example. So make 2 sentences for all of these subjects. Pause and speak. Next, think about when you were 11 or 12 years old. Were these things true or false about you? Why? Okay, for example, I used to be a rebel. False. I wasn't a rebel. I was very kind and good person, good student, and I always wanted to study hard. Yeah, so this was my answer. You can give your own answer. Your answers might be is slightly better or not so better. Yeah, so pause and make conversations. Now pause and go to YouTube and write "It's All Over Now" lyrics. Then they will appear this song with the words, with the lyrics, and sing and read that song's lyrics together. This is the end of the video.